How to block a page on Facebook PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to block a page on Facebook easily. So all what you have to do is go to Facebook, go to the top corner, click right here, click on settings and privacy. Now click here on the first one, settings, and now go right here and go to blocking option. After you click on blocking, here you will find block pages right here. Click on edit and click add to block list. Now type the name of the page that you want to block and it's gonna be blocked. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.